Honey, I'm home. I hope dinner's nearly ready. I'm starving.
Won't be long now, honey. Honey, would you like chocolate or caramel?
Chocolate or caramel?
Babe, I've had it chilled all day. Caramel?
Sure. So what's all this?
I made you your favourite. Huel.
Only Huel for 1 week. Hello and welcome to the video. So for the last week we've been living entirely on Huel. Those who follow my YouTube channel know that for the last week we've been moving house, so we thought I'd make it the move a little bit easier, you know, no cleaning kitchens, no having to do food shops in between while we're sorting out the new house and organising. And yeah, it's been an experience, so in today's video I want to share that experience with you. If you're interested in Huel, I have made a video about the products we will be using in this video before, so check that video out if you're interested in that kind of stuff. This video we are going to be reviewing the experience in general, our thoughts on meal supplements and how we got on during the week. I will timestamp questions answered below because there's quite a lot we go over and there's plenty of food for thought. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm getting so close to that 500 subscriber count, so it really means a lot if you can subscribe. Drop in the comments below what you'd like me to see me do. Would you like me to see me do 500 burpees, 500 pull-ups, 500 Brussels sprouts? The more creative the better. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you guys for our last ever Huel meal. Okay, so it's been the end of a very long week of only having Huel. So we thought we'd finish the week with a Huel 3-course meal. So we've got a Huel shake as our drink, we've got a hot and savoury as our main course, and then we have the Huel bar as dessert. And I've also made some Huel ice cream to go with the bar as well.
Frozen Huel.
Frozen Huel ice cream.
It's just frozen Huel, that's what it is.
Ice cream. So we thought it'd be a bit more of a fun way to like kind of go through the week, explain how we've got on. We've done this previously before, so it's our second time actually doing this. Yeah, we'll just go through as we have the courses, explaining everything. Yeah.
You want to stop moving on the chair.
Okay, so we'll start with a drink, I guess. Cheers.
Okay.
Salted caramel.
That's really nice.
By far the best flavour. Cheers.
So I cooked it in the pan. You don't need to do that, but it does thicken up a lot better when you cook them. We decided to do a week on Huel because we were moving house, so I thought it would be a good idea to have Huel, so it meant we could clean out the kitchen cupboards, and those days just went really fast. We're ill actually, but it wasn't the Huel. I think we were run down.
It wasn't COVID.
But we thought it was a really good idea, and also the days after moving in, we thought whilst we're settling in and unpacking and we've got 1,000,001 things to do, it would still be good not to have to go shopping, buy food, do cooking and things like that.
In that respect, it really worked.
You always say that you're just not satiated.
Yeah, that's exactly.
But it hasn't been hard this time, actually. I say it wasn't hard. One day I think I had 4.5 bars. That was the day we moved. I don't think I had a huge shake. I think I just ate
We smashed through the bars, didn't we?
bars. But
That was so
like
good.
I said, I was feeling run down and I think I needed the glucose. Like I just needed like a pick-me-up. Like one after the other, and we didn't even care that we knew we wouldn't have a bar left the next day. It didn't matter.
There was a lot of stress moving house though. So I feel like I was stress eating bars. But yeah, it definitely made moving a lot easier.
I like it. The hot and savoury I think is really tasty. And it's something we would 100% use if we're camping. They're really expensive to buy dehydrated meals, and these are actually very reasonable. I think maybe like £2.50 or something.
So did you experience any negative effects this week?
Well, it's so hard to say because I was feeling run down. I never feel like hungry. I feel like I want to eat. I think there was a day when I didn't even have a single shake. Like it's not like, oh, I'm starving, like let me have a Huel. Because I know that experience doesn't give me the feeling that I'm after when I say I'm hungry and I want something, you know, to feel like,
good in that respect.
But if you're not eating 2,000 calories and you're actually not getting all the nutrition, so they do it as if you're having 400 calorie meals and there's 20% of the nutrition.
Yeah, we didn't realise that, did we?
We didn't realise that. Quite a few other meal replacements that tend to have like 30 to 50% of the nutrition that you need per meal replacement. So if you're having a couple of those and a real meal, or even a few of those and a real meal, then you're getting all the stuff you need. So that definitely is something that this week I wouldn't have been getting all my nutrition, but to be honest, I don't think I necessarily get it all the time anyway. Like I eat a lot of fruit and veg, but it's not something I pay attention to. Like I don't follow things, so that's probably nitpicking.
Yeah, I would say a downside to me is for a guy who eats a lot of beans on a regular basis, I've been even more gassy than usual.
No, just today, day 7, honestly, it's like...
We've resorted to ordering some special pants.
Yeah, wait for that
Coming
video.
soon.
Through the house today, it's honestly like a volcano, like a sulphurous volcano. It's like erupted.
It must be like
through the
detoxing
house.
all the Huel.
Anything else? Do you think you felt a bit run down because of the Huel? We were very narky at one point, but again, it's hard to know if that's because we were run down. Day 4, meal 2, tomato and herb, hot and savoury. And Pete, what is it for you?
Meal 15.
No.
Hot and savoury.
Pete's hungry today.
We definitely got narky the last time we did Huel. Like day 3 or 4, we're like quite angry, and I think the same happened this time. And my energy has been not as good as normal. Like I haven't wanted to work out and stuff, and I definitely remember feeling that last time. And I think this is because it is nutrition, it is everything you need, but it'd be like taking a multivitamin and then eating junk food. I feel like it's not really replenishing your body. I don't know. I don't feel as energized just eating this.
No, fair enough.
But I don't know if that's psychological.
Maybe.
Or maybe I just need like some real fruits and vegetables, you know, like on the side. But just eating this both times, my energy is definitely not as high as normal.
Yeah. Something we did decide actually on doing this is that we probably would use some kind of real meal replacement for breakfast and lunch and just have a dinner. You do waste a lot of time making your lunch, don't you? One thing we could have always done, which we've never done, is actually save some of dinner to eat for lunch, but we never quite managed to save anything in the evening. You know, because usually there's more than enough.
No.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
No, you have your first dinner.
No, we have our second dinner. Then we have our first pudding.
And your second dinner. I'm sure everyone does the same.
Sometimes a third.
I'm excited to have a non-Huel related pudding after pudding number 1. Favourite bar flavours?
Well, I didn't really get it. So, we ordered a while ago the white chocolate raspberry, the chocolate orange, all the ones they had basically, salted caramel and peanut butter. You decided that you didn't like the white chocolate raspberry and the chocolate caramel. So they're the only ones I tasted.
It's your favourite though, eh?
So I don't know. I assume salted caramel would be my favourite.
That's the best, yeah.
But I didn't get to try it.
Favourite hot and savoury? I actually like all the hot and savouries.
I like all of them. I didn't think I was a tomato and herb fan, and then when I had it the other day, maybe it's my taste buds, but I thought, oh fuck, this is
I think
really
your taste
good,
buds do
actually.
change throughout the week, because even just having like the Huel in the morning, I'm just like, oh, it's so nice.
I like both the curries the best, the Thai curry and the Madras. I really like that. They have some other new ones, maybe like a sweet and sour, but you're not into stuff like that usually.
No, but I do like new things. Must have got makes up about 50% of my wardrobe, Huel t-shirts now.
They do, don't they?
Anything else we've learned?
I learned that it's okay to not eat real food all the time.
Yeah,
I definitely got
we're so privileged, aren't we, that we get to have delicious food all the time, and the fact that you can go without.
I know most people go without even this,
Yeah.
and we still have, you know, something nutritious, and we think that that's even enough.
Suffering.
Yeah. Actually, I've never tried this warm. I'm going to try warm mine up a
Do
bit.
you want to put it with the ice cream?
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
So I guess it's almost like a thing. What's your first meal gonna be?
After this,
Yeah.
one of those chocolate macaroons.
Oh, that you got from your parents. Your
Yeah.
first real food, though.
I'm gonna go to Subway and get a meatball marinara. There's a Subway just up the road. We just moved in, so I've got a free half foot long.
Oh,
if you watched our cheap day on a cheap day on a
On the cheap.
yeah cheap day.
Budget.
If you watch the cheap day on a budget video, you know how we get the cheap Subways.
It's really nice from the microwave, the bar.
Mm.
It's like a bit softer. He keeps everything in the fridge. It doesn't matter what it is. Even crisps.
I don't put crisps in the fridge. Right?
No, but you put everything in the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Like sweets. How nice is that?
Tastes like a cookie.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Wow.
We find that out on the last day.
Wow. How much ice cream and bars I ate on the first day. That is literally the greatest thing alive.
I wouldn't know because I've never had the salted caramel bar before.
So if you ever
I
have
reckon the
Huel,
chocolate's melted.
make Huel ice cream, melt a bar, and you're good to go. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. That's the second time only eating Huel for a week.
Mhm.
Probably the last time we'll only eat Huel for a week again.
I don't know.
It'll be my last time.
We'll see. It is good though, like we said, if you're moving, if you've got no time, if something's going on, rather than stress eating or, you know, reaching for things that are shite.
You can't say that one though.
You can't say shite. There's
Yeah,
something
yeah.
going on. Maybe you've got exams or something.
Anyway, we've waffled on far enough, but yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Waffles are just pancakes with abs.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop it a like if you did. Subscribe if you are new.
Oh, and give it a thumbs up.
Terrible at this. And we'll see you in the next one. Da, 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 da.
I just told Peter I look like Legolas. He said, huh? No idea.
Mm.
Very crunchy. I look so funny.
Mm.